Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, ain't stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better.
A medium iced sugar-free blondie with sugar-free caramel drizzle and almond milk.
We'll be right out for you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're still waiting on that.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a great one.
You too. Hey guys. I thought it was a, I don't know what I was thinking. I definitely should have got a small coffee. Good morning, y'all. Today is, I haven't been on here since, what, Sunday? Today's Tuesday. Yeah. So y'all, here's my Meta glasses. I didn't show y'all with them, how I looked with them on. I think these are so cute. I like the brown. I like the, yeah, when you put it on, oh shoot, did I cut it on? I didn't mean to do that. I think I just took a picture. When you cut it on, it automatically detects that you have them on. Yes, I love, so I got my prescription put in like I told you. Ooh, I almost fell. But yeah, I love. Anyway, so I just got back from the gym. But yeah, so I'm about to, shoot, get some coffee. I ate yogurt and granola and stuff on the way. Granola and fruit on the way to the gym. Yeah, my gym split is on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I do spin. Monday, Wednesday is regular spin. Friday is conditioning spin, where we do a combination of spin and upper and lower.
We're back. Even the little legs. After this, we do them all one more time, then we're back on the key. So I'd much rather you use weights that are too light or no weight at all. So don't wait on me, keep going. Woo, we got two more. One.
Workouts, which I love. And then Tuesday, Thursday, we go to the gym and just do our workout. So today was upper, we do full body. Actually, we did arms and lower body with the bands. I bought bands. I've had these bands, resistance bands, forever. Never even used them. So we use those. And I actually like using them. It's not that bad. So tomorrow will be spin. Thursday we'll do, so we do like three supersets. So it was two upper body and one lower body. And then tomorrow, like I said, we'll do spin. And then Thursday we'll do 3 supersets, and then Friday we'll do conditioning spin. Yeah, so yeah, I have to work my part-time job tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow, oh yeah, that's tomorrow, Wednesday. Oh shoot, so tomorrow I gotta work if you notice, which is fine, because they close at 8. I don't know, they'll start by closing at 9 soon. I wanted to show y'all. So I got these seed probiotics. These things work so good. I just started. I've taken them before, but I haven't taken them long, but they really do work. So I'm going to. This one expires. So they send you this, and then like they send you the refills. So I'm getting ready to take one of these. Actually, I'm just gonna pour them in here. That's what you do. That's what you're supposed to do, but there's still some in here, so that's why I'm pouring it in. Now that I opened it, so there it is. I think it's a little snazzy little container. Oh yeah, and look y'all, I ordered a TV. I ordered a TV from Walmart. Y'all, it came the next day. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Alright, so this TV I got, it's a 65 inch. And it's just a Roku TV because that's all I need. I watch like YouTube constantly. And I wasn't going to get a TV, y'all. So I bought this. I got this from Sana Steals and Deals on Facebook. It's a page that this girl knows. She does post discounts. So she posts discounts on there or deals and stuff just from random companies and stuff that she finds. She posts them on her page on Facebook. If I remember, I'll put the page right here and y'all can find it. But yeah, so it popped up on there and I'm like, it's like I said, I wasn't gonna buy TV because I don't watch TV. I'll put my microphone on since I have it. I mean, I said I watch YouTube, but I watch YouTube on my iPad constantly. Like I can't say constantly, but when I watch it, that's where I'm watching. I never watch it on TV. This feels weird not having a TV. It just feels, I don't know. And like right now, the TV is not even on. Watching last night and Netflix. So anyway, got it for $2.98. I was like, for the little bit of TV, watching all these seasons, Lord. So yeah, I broke down and went on and got it because, like I said, it just was. I just wanted to. I felt like it just felt empty and it felt quiet. I mean, I know quiet is good. It didn't feel complete. So I did go ahead and break down and get a TV. But I legit ordered it. Today's Tuesday, Sunday night. And it was here on yesterday. It came yesterday at 1:48 on the dot. They even sent me a notification letting me know that the TV was on its way and that he should be pulling up. And by God, I looked outside and there he was. My tripod might be a little crooked, y'all. And it wasn't even like UPS or FedEx or like a guy that pulled up in his personal truck smoking a cigarette with my TV. Yeah. He was pulling up. He opened the door, I guess, and he ever threw a cigarette down. I'm like, it's fine, sir. I mean, you got a box. But you could tell he was like, oop. He didn't expect for me to be standing outside looking at him. Yesterday was a busy day. A busy work day. But y'all, I really love working out in the morning. I didn't promise you, never thought this day would come. I wanted it to come, but I just never thought I could get my body to maneuver the way I wanted it to. But I am so glad. It feels good to be able to work out in the mornings because I can have my evenings to myself. Well, not to myself, but have my evenings. And then I can also, when I have to work, my evening job, I don't have to worry about not being able to work out because, oh, somebody's calling me. Look, my glasses are ringing, y'all. Oh, she got this bacon. I'm gonna eat this bacon. I'm gonna have to buy her some more. She gonna be pissed. But I don't have no breakfast, and I need to go to the store. I'm gonna go to the store today, though. I keep moving y'all all around this kitchen. I need to just hold on. I love this thing. I love. If y'all don't have a poacher, get one. I'm telling you. Oh, this right here, y'all, is a lifesaver. You ain't got to worry about, and you can do egg whites because it comes with like a little tray where you can do egg whites on there too. So if you don't do the yolk or whatever, you can do egg whites too. Okay, y'all, let me get to work. I will host y'all later.
2 hours later.
Pancakes right here. These right here are the bomb. Already mixed up I think I need some more water in here. Not too much. I need to get me some rugs for my kitchen. I want one to go up underneath the table, actually. But I haven't taken my medicine yet. This is the butter we use, y'all. Grass-fed butter. cook. I got one fish oil. Let me check his expiration date. Oh, 2027. Okay, I'm good. Yeah, how I'm gonna burn something? I'm setting it right here over top of it. That's crazy. Alright y'all, it's done. And this is the syrup we use. We use the 100% pure maple syrup. No artificial flavors, sweeteners, or synthetic colors. Yeah. Good morning y'all. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, today's Wednesday. The 20th? Is today the 20th? Yeah, I don't know if today's the 20th or not, but we got all kinds of snow. Hold on, I'm about to show you. Y'all see the snow out there? Yeah. We got tons of snow. Tons and tons of snow. No, it's not tons, but enough, and it's still coming down. I think it's supposed to stop at like between 9 and 10. But yeah. So I'm about to fix me some pancakes real quick because I'm hungry. I already drank my coffee for the morning. Ate some yogurt and fruit. Yeah, ate some yogurt, fruit, granola. Drank my coffee. I did eat a couple pieces of bacon. I didn't go to the gym this morning for obvious reasons. Doing something else and almost burnt my darn pancake. That's why I don't buy them a lot. Don't be wanting to eat them all the time. I know. I try to not eat a lot of fattening stuff. I mean, even though it is packed with protein, it's still just carbs. And I do eat my carbs, but I just try not to overdo it. That's all. I try not to overdo it because I have a tendency to overdo it. Things. Man, don't get this fire up too high. Oh, I turned it the yo, I'm turning it the wrong effing way. Man, look act like I don't know how to work the stove. I turned it down. Oh, I turned it the wrong way. See, the stove at the house is different. And I just I caught myself turning it down. I turned it up. I don't know if I showed y'all this grass-fed butter. This is the butter we use. And I do have some oil in there, but man, I hope the inside gets done. That sucks. Would have fixed some bacon with it, but I already ate my bacon. I'm using the, I was too lazy to get a regular knife, so I'm using the, it's probably considered a steak knife. Dang, that's coming out fast. Wish we had some strawberries. All right, y'all, here's my breakfast. Protein pancakes, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, or one raspberry. Bon appetit. Let's eat. Good morning, y'all. Today is Saturday. Today is February the 22nd. Right now, I'm having some coffee. I'm not having some regular coffee pot here. I don't have my Keurig, so. I got some more granola in there, but I just a little bit of stuff in the bag. It's my collagen, y'all. Let's look into it. My business. Hey y'all, so I'm off work. I'm stopping at Kroger's and right here in South Charleston to get Ed some. Hold on, is this? To get Ed some ginger ale, y'all. I think he got the flu, so I'm getting him some ginger ale before I head home. Got off at y'all. Cabela's. Let me sit y'all right here for a minute, cause I gotta find somewhere to sit y'all. Anyway, let's go. I got my key. I got my key. Come on, y'all. Y'all like my door? Yeah, I did. Okay. Hopefully they got some. He only likes the was it Canadian Dry? Canadian Dry or Canada Dry? He don't like the Swelps. Got him that one yesterday. He didn't like it, so see what they have here. And I'm not going to 50 million different stores. If they don't have it here, homeboy gonna have to get what they got, because I'm not stopping nowhere else. Unless I get him a little small one. About to see what they got. Okay. Let's see what they have. The 2 liters at. I don't know why these stores be seeming like. Why these stores be seeming like, oh, there it is. Their stuff is like, oh, I wonder if he want the sugar, the 0 sugar. I'm sure he don't. I didn't realize that. I probably need to get me some more coffee creamer, because if I run out, I'll be pissed. And he just got the one with the sugar in it. I don't want that kind. Sorry, excuse me. I want to, she got us some more. I need a good coffee creamer. Let me call Archie real quick. I need to get a good coffee creamer, and I don't know. I have to ask her. Archie, what's a good coffee creamer to get? Because I know that coffee made ain't no good. Even though I get the 0 sugar, I know it ain't no good. They got Khalifa.
Let me just see.
I don't understand why you got always see. They got Silk.
I can just show you. Literally.
They got 0 added sugar. They got this one. Silk. They got
Khalifa being good.
organic. They got organic. Organic almond creamer, vanilla, brown sugar.
Yeah, just do Khalifa and whichever one has the least amount of added sugar.
Brown sugar. I know the brown sugar probably got the most.
You have to watch for added sugar mostly.
Added sugar.
They have 0 sugar.
Total sugar, 3 gram. Added sugar includes 3 grams of added sugar.
What is the serving?
3 grams. The serving is one tablespoon.
Put 1 tablespoon in there?
Yeah, right. This one has 25% less sugar. Let me see what this one is.
Yeah. But that lady said, PCOS. No, if I was you, I would eat it. I'm saying me. I eat them sometimes.
Yeah. Oh, let me put my number in. I'm good. How are you? Oh, shoot. I took my Kroger. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Alright, y'all. So they had the Canada Dry that he wanted. He's in luck.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain.